Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get wrinkles out of leather easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 3 easy steps that you can use to get pretty much any wrinkle out of any type of leather. Let's get right into the video. Now, first and foremost, before you go about these steps, you want to make sure that the leather that you're dealing with can handle these steps. So take a look at the tag on the fabric or the jacket or the couch cushion, whatever it is that you're dealing with, and make sure that you can use these steps with that specific leather. Okay, there's going to be likely like a maintenance sort of tag or like a care tag that shows you how to properly care for the material. Okay, but what you want to do, as long as you're able to do these, according to the restrictions and the tags and stuff that you might find on the material, and most leathers are okay with this. So just but double check. But what you want to do, now that I get to the actual steps, is go into a bathroom, okay, or any room that can have a little bit of steam in it. And you want to take the leather item, which in this case is a leather jacket, and you want to hang it up so that it's nicely hanging, okay? So that the weight of the material will be draping down. You want to turn on the shower and create some steam in that room. Don't turn on the fan. You want the steam in there. You don't need a lot of steam, but you just need a little bit of steam in the room. So don't turn on the fan, but let the steam sort of get into the room. Turn off the shower when you have just a decent amount of steam in there. That's the first step. The steam will allow the fibers to be very elastic and stretch out a bit, okay? Then what you want to do is go to where the wrinkle is, and you want to pull it apart. The fibers will be relaxed now. The material will be relaxed, so you can pull it apart and hold it. Now, don't go too hard. I doubt you'll rip the leather, but you want to still treat it with respect. So pull, but not super hard. Pull gently and continue pulling gently to relax those material fibers, okay? And continue doing that. Let it sit, see if that wrinkle's gone. If not, add a bit more steam, try it again. Let it sit, see if that wrinkle's better. And if you get to the point where you're not making any more progress with that method, then what you want to do is take the leather item, lay it flat on the ground, on a flat surface, and you want to stretch the material so the wrinkle is gone. Take a couple of heavy books, like some heavy school textbooks, and place them flat on top of the leather. What that's going to do is that's going to allow the leather to stretch so the wrinkle's gone temporarily, and then the weight will flatten that leather down, which will hopefully get rid of the wrinkle on a more permanent basis. And that's essentially it. Those are the 3 steps that you have to use. Basically, you want to get steam in the room and let the material hang. Then the fibers, you'll be able to sort of manipulate them a bit. You want to stretch them to get rid of that wrinkle, and hopefully that will work after a few tries. Sometimes it works after only 1 try, but it hopefully works after a few tries. And if there's still a little bit of a wrinkle, then steam it again, okay? Place it flat on a flat surface, okay? Put a textbook on top, okay? Put a textbook on top and let that textbook sit there. There are other methods, I've heard people say iron it, but you shouldn't be ironing leather. It's not meant to be ironed. People say put a towel on top and iron it, but then only a little bit of heat is going to the leather anyways, so you might as well just steam it because it's the same effect, right? So there are a couple of other methods out there, but they pretty much make use of the same things, just in a different way, right? So this method sort of encompasses all things together. You have the steam for the heat, okay, and the elasticity of the material. You have the stretching, okay, and then you have the flattening with the textbooks, or any books, or anything heavy that's flat, for that matter. It can be anything. It can be like a weight plate, like a weightlifting plate, because, I'm familiar with my weight plates, if you know what I'm saying. That hurt. I haven't worked out in a long time, and I swear I almost just pulled my bicep by flexing too hard right there. I'm going to take it easy because I got a couple more videos to film, and I have 4 young kids. I cannot afford to pull a muscle or to injure myself. So I'm going to take it easy with that overconfidence, and yeah, we're going to stick to the topic of the video, which was leather straightening of the wrinkles. But yeah, that's it. That is how to get wrinkles out of leather easily. 3 simple steps. Steam, stretch, flatten. Oh, I just made that up right now. Steam it up, stretch the material, flatten it down. If you do those 3 steps, you should be able to get rid of those wrinkles in the leather, and you should be able to do it easily, okay? And this has been a full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.